All right, so MetaTrader 5 just made a very crucial update into their platform that would significantly improve your trades outcome eventually. I mean, in terms of your speed of execution, your execution speed. So what do I mean? This is a 100k account. This is my funded account, a 100k. Been trading this just started trading this month, yeah, and this the account is sitting on $1,000 profit traded for the last 3 months. So yeah, April has been pretty good for me right so far. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is what exactly is the updates, right? And without wasting any of your time, let me get straight into it. Now, there was a time whereby when you want to place trades on MT5, that was kind of the reason why I didn't like MT5 that much, because I am someone that like to see how much I'm risking before I execute my trade. So I was a much more firm lover of match trader, because match trader helps with that automatic lot size calculation, right? So when you're about to enter a trade, you kind of see it automatically. Here's what I mean. So before you want to place a trade, you do this, right? And then market execution, you have the buy limit, sell limit, stop order, sell stop, whatever the case may be. And then you put your SL, you put your TP, and then you buy or sell. Now the problem with this is you don't know exactly how much you are risking, and that could be a problem. So we had to, use external calculators, magic keys, some apps to calculate the right lot size you want to use for your trades. And if you are a scalper, or if you are someone that have to enter quickly, it can be quite stressful knowing the exact lot size. And then you end up using, maybe, oh, all my trades I'm going to be using 0.05 lots or 0.02 lots. And the truth is, you might end up risking way more than you should be risking, or sometimes lesser than you should, and it kind of spoils your whole system, right? Position sizing is very, very important. I know some people don't know this, but it is extremely important. All right, so now what's the update? The update is simply, if you come to charts here like this, you can now see how much it is you are risking before you enter the trade, which is great. So I know you guys are like, okay, let me just shut up and just show you guys how it is. Okay, so now let's just make some quick analysis first so I know what I'm doing. So let's say I'm going to put my stop loss here, right? Okay, at this swing low here. This is around 4,553, and then I set my limit order at this is like an FVG, right? Okay, or this is a demand zone. Okay, so I set my limit order at 4686.78, and then okay, 4686.78, and then this is 4553. I'll just remove the decimal point so it's easy for me to remember. Okay, so this is 4686, and then the other one is 4555. So all you have to do is click on this top icon here. Make sure you don't click buy or sell, so it doesn't execute you instantly. So you click this like this, and now you have this drop down. So you just swipe up like this, and now this is a buy limit. You have buy limit, you have sell limit, you have buy stop, sell stop, every single thing you saw on the other side. But the only difference is now um you have a way of seeing how much you want to risk before you can enter the trade. So now you click on add stops level, right? And then you click on the price you want to enter. So that's 46. Oh, whoa. Okay, yeah, so I can type it, because so 4686, that's your entry price, right? And then your stop loss was 4555. Good. So now you can see on this trade, it shows automatically that you are going to be risking $131 on this trade. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. And then if your take profit is, let's say your take profit is $5,000, for example, uh you can see now your take profit is going to be 314, which is like a 1 to 3 RR, something like that, almost a 1 to 3 RR. So this is extremely important, and I'm grateful for MetaTrader to have finally been able to integrate this into their system, because honestly, especially in market execution, right? In market execution is even where it's more important. So let's say you're entering here, you want to buy instantly, you want to just get in, you don't know the right lot size to you. So if your stop loss is at, let's say, 4686, Boom, you can see the risk is $79.23. Why it is not moving is, I think this is 10 o'clock, so market is closed. So if you just keep increasing your lot, boom, as you're increasing your lot, you're seeing your risk. Okay, I need to, maybe I want to risk $1,000. You can just be fast and be like, okay, good. So I'm going to use 0.13 lots fast and then buy. I'm not going to click buy because I don't want to enter the trade, but you get the whole point. So you can see how much you are risking before actually entering your trade, which is a very, very good something to do compared to the old system, which it was like this. So if you found any value from this video was able to solve any problem for you, I'll appreciate if you give this video a like, a subscribe, a drop a comment. Let me know what you think. If you have any other video ideas, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.